rolling.
Well, so I just started.
What did you have done?
I had these teeth pulled that are in the back here, and some of them they were already had been pulled, but I had those teeth pulled because they weren't doing very well, and it kind of all started with getting my dentist work done there in my town where I was living. And the troubles really started about that time. And I'm not trying to put down anybody's dentistry or work or anything that they do, but you don't know what you don't know. And they did the best that they did with what they had. So, but after getting this dental work done, I noticed that I started gaining weight. And previously I'd been 105 pounds. But gradually over time, the weight gain came on, and I gained 50% of my body mass in 2 years' time. My muscle aches were terrible. I was constantly foggy in the mind and in my thoughts. I couldn't seem to put things together as easily as I had before. And when you know what it's like to have clear thinking and then you don't, it's excruciating because you are missing what you once had. And I think those are the main things that I've noticed. There's been lots of things. There's been like my joints don't hurt. I can get up in the morning and just go. I don't have to creep out of bed anymore. I enjoy my work. I enjoy life, but just the body healing.
So what was done? What did we do?
Well, you pulled out these teeth back in here that were infected, and you did some cavitation in there and cleaned out all the bone in there that had been infected with bacteria and had gone bad. And then we've been injecting some ozone, O3, into the tissue. And there's also other things that we've been doing, like the drops that are given to help keep the mouth clean, keep the body clean, and the cavities clean, and support the healing process. And well, I think that's all I can think of.
So it's well worth it for you then?
It's been wonderfully worth it. I feel like I've been given a second chance at my life, and I'm very, very grateful that I did it. It was scary. It was a little scary to come in and have this kind of surgery done, but if I had to do it all over again, I'd certainly do it.
Great. And how far away are you by driving to come here?
It takes 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours to come here. And
wow.
I like my home, so I do 3.5 here, and then I go home the same day. And but it's easy to drive now. It's not a hard thing for me to accomplish because I can drive without that dizzy feeling. I can walk without that feeling that I'm on a carnival ride, and I can drive without feeling like the cars around me are spinning, and all of that has really helped to clear up even my eyesight. And I don't know if it's actual eyesight is as in if I would go into my ophthalmologist, and he would do a test on me to see where my eyesight is. I don't know that would have changed, but I do know that pain and that dizziness can affect eyesight and thinking and the way that we see the world. And just to have that cleared up has definitely been a relief. I can focus on things. I just have a joy for life now.
Okay. And do we have your permission to put this out for other people to have hope for the problems that they have?
Yes.
Well, thank you very much.